The easiest way to connect your OAK4 camera to Luxonis Hub is by using OAK Viewer, which you can download using the link below. Pressing the Adopt to Hub button will factory reset your camera and guide you through the setup process in the browser. Set your camera password and configure any advanced settings if needed. After a successful setup, you will be guided back to the OAK Viewer and a Hub tag will appear on your device. Navigating back to the Hub on the browser, you'll be able to see your camera among the listed devices. Here you can view details, manage apps, debug, and much more. To install an app, simply pick from a list of public and private apps and select the desired version. After installation, you can access the app's front end to view its visual results. Make sure to explore all of the other available apps in the integrated App Store and pick what best suits your use case.